go to the Windows bar. After that, right click, go to Task Manager. In the search bar, type Word, click OK. From here, if you find Microsoft Word is running, make sure to select it and then right click, just select End Task. Okay, so for the next method, go to your keyboard and select Windows plus R. After that, make sure to hit this command, WinWord /save, click OK. You must click Repair now. Okay, now so for the third method, go to the search bar, search for Control Panel. Hit it. After that, go to Programs, select Programs and Features, select anyone and then type M in the keyboard. Look for Microsoft 365. After that, select it and then right click, select Change, select Yes. Make sure to select Quick Repair and then click Repair. If nothing of those solutions did work for you, go to the control panel again, do the same thing, look for Microsoft 365 and then instead clicking on Change, you need to click Uninstall. Once you do that, you need to install it back from the internet and all the bugs will be gone. Make sure to restart your computer for every step if it didn't work for you, and hopefully your problem is solved. Make sure to subscribe and see you on the next one.